Welcome everyone! Today I'll guide you through setting up AIO tunnel for SlowDNS settings, ensuring a smooth and secure browsing experience. But before we begin, make sure you've checked out my previous video on creating your SLS server. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe for more useful content. Step 1. Install AIO tunnel. Let's get started. Head to your mobile app store and download AIO tunnel. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. You'll find yourself on the home screen. Step 2. Access plugins. In the top right corner, click on the plugin icon to access the plugins menu. If you haven't already, install the DNS plugin from here. Once installed, go back to the home screen. Step 3. Enable SlowIn. Now, on the app's home screen, locate the SlowIn option and check the box to enable it. Remember, you need to input the SSH Slow server details that you created earlier by following the steps in my previous video. Fill in the required fields as demonstrated. Step 4. Connect VPN. Once you've set up the server details, tap on the Start button to establish the VPN connection. And there you go, you're all set to browse securely and at optimal speeds. That's it for today's tutorial on setting up AIO tunnel for SlowDNS settings. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.